My name is Mae'r and Lloyd. I'm studying foundation year at Mae'r and dyfodol. I decided to come to college because there's good transport to Dylunio from where I live. The course looked really good when I came here for an open day, and I'm glad I came here because it's all I thought it would be. As part of my course last year, I was really lucky to be a part of a group that went to take pictures in Wakestock, the local festival, and that was a great experience for me. I particularly enjoyed working with others, making new friends, and also developing new skills. I think college has changed me as a person because I've developed more in myself and in my work, and also I've got more confidence to speak in front of people and about my work. After this course, I'm hoping to study photography in University of Chester. My advice for prospective students is to take your sketchbooks everywhere and your camera and work hard.